Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance light on an 03 Volvo V70. That's the light that looks like a triangle with an exclamation point in it. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. To reset the maintenance light on your 03 Volvo, what we're going to do first is it says to make sure that all your doors are closed and you have no other maintenance lights on the dash, like washer fluid low, coolant low. We're all set there. We just have the exclamation point light on. So key in the ignition, turn it to step 1, grab your tripometer, hold it down, and then go right into 2 position within 2 seconds. Once that light flashes, the question mark, release it and start it up. And the light should stay out.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.